What would happen to a plane if the pilot was drunk? What if couriers deliver packages to the wrong addresses? What would happen to a family if the father was never at home? All roles require us to be competent either for the sake of financial returns, compliments, or simply for personal satisfaction. But in the absence of those things, we are called to willingly give our 100%. In Colossians chapter 3, Apostle Paul came up with a revolutionary teaching, which is whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men. God is the reason behind the call to excel at everything, especially at work. Tim Keller addressed this issue by introducing the concept of the ministry of competence. The idea is that our Christ-like service is actually about living up to any role God has called us to with the utmost competence. However, it is a dilemma to give our utmost at work when we are underpaid, unwelcome, or even underappreciated. It is nice to have those things, but as Christians, they are part of taking up our cross. In his life, Jesus never backed down from any hardships and struggles. He was willing to take up his cross and serve his role, even until his dying breath. As all of our roles were given by God, being competent becomes the best way to honor him. Even in the absence of rewards and the presence of challenges, the call to excel stays the same. Friends, how willing are you to give your best at work? How does knowing Christ can help you excel at work?